would you describe the HGP machine?
Well, in few words, the HGP is the fastest model of the dynamic line range. It's a machine which is oriented to the machining of mold and die parts. The maximum feed rate of the axis is 60 meters per minute in the longitudinal and cross axis, and 40 meters per minute in the vertical axis. It reaches accelerations of up to 4 meters per square second. Using the right cooling system, we can ensure that the geometrical accuracy is warranted. If we consider the different axes, the longitudinal axis goes from 2.5 meters to 6.5 meters. The cross axis has two options, 2.5 meters or 3.5 meters. And in the vertical axis, we also have two options. The shortest one is 1.2 meters and the longest one 1.5 meters. The machine is equipped with a 5-axis fork-type head, which can be customized using different types of electrospindles. The speed range of the different electrospindles that we are offering goes from 12,000 RPM to 20,000 RPM. We can equip the machine with different tool magazines with capacity from 40 to 120 positions.
Thank you very much, Xavi. So this model is like the Formula One of the dynamic line family.
Exactly, Maite. This is the fastest and most dynamic machine of all the product range.